In the box, 6-foot nylon braided lightning cable, dark gray color. Fast charge. When used with an 18W or higher USB-C wall charger with power delivery, it can charge an iPhone to 50% battery in just 30 minutes. Compatibility. Supported models include iPhone 8, 8 Plus, X, XS, XR, XS Max, 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, 12 Mini, 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, iPads, and more. Certified chip. Apple MFI certified charging and syncing cable for Apple devices with improved chipset to ensure full compatibility. High-speed data transfer. Up to 480 megabits per second for transferring music, movies, and more in seconds. Durable design. Built with top-rated materials and tested to withstand up to 4,000 bend cycles, aluminum connector ends offer added support. Top reviews from the United States. Lasted me 1 year and 8 months. So yes, the charger did finally break on me, but not until over a year and 8 months of being my primary charger for my phone, AirPods, and, more recently, iPad. For context, I bought the rose gold 6-feet charging cable in July of 2020. I am now on my way to purchase a second one, because getting almost 2 years out of a phone charger when using it multiple times a day and not being gentle with it is pretty great. The breakdown is where it typically is in a phone charger, right at the top where it plugs into the phone, but that happened about a month ago and only now is it being finicky. Overall, a very good quality product.